Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to change voice on ChatGPT in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to change ChatGPT voice to female or male, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To change voice on ChatGPT, first of all, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Now, a sliding menu will open. At the bottom of the screen, tap on your account name. A new screen will open with different settings options. From the settings screen, select voice or speech. Here you will see different voice-related settings. Find and tap on voice again from here. Here, you will see a list of available voices, usually with different tones such as female or male. Preview the voices by swiping left or right.
Hi there. I just want to share how...
Hey, it's great to meet you.
After choosing your preferred voice, tap on the Done button. Now, when you use voice conversations in ChatGPT, it will respond in the voice you selected.